Excuse me,
Right.
sir.
Yes.
I can't turn on my camera. It's broken, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, you can give the answer for the P coordinates, Tasmita.
Okay.
How you can write the coordinates of
1,
P?
1. It's 1, 1.
1, 1. Also, you can check your answers, okay? Other students, check the answers. The next one, Q. The coordinates of Q. Netsara, can you give the answer for Q? This is Q.
Okay, sir. 0, 3.
Yes, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 3. So you can write 0, 3. Right. Next one, R. Anusar, can you give the answer for R coordinates?
7, 6.
Yes. First you can check the x coordinate 7, y coordinate 6. So the coordinates of the point 7, 6. Then we can go to check the coordinates of S. Senuli, can you give the coordinates of S?
7, 2.
Yes, x coordinate you can check here, no, 7. Y coordinate is 2. So the coordinates of the point 7, 2. 7, 2. Then T. Tinidi, coordinates of T.
3, 6.
Yes, x coordinate this position, no, 3. Y coordinate 6. So the answer 3, 6. Then next one, U. Also we can check the coordinates of U. Dulci, coordinates of U.
5, 5.
5, 5. X coordinate 5, y coordinate 5. So coordinates of the point 5, 5. Then also another one, V. Chenuti.
1, 7.
Yes, x coordinate 1, y coordinate 7. 1, 7. Next, can you give the W? Saheli, can you give the coordinates of W?
4, 0.
X coordinate 4, y coordinate 0, no? So the coordinates of the point 4, 0. Right. Are you correct, all of you, these answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then also another one question we can discuss. Now quickly you do third question. Quickly can you do now? Third one. Third one also you have to do same thing. Right. Can you tell me what are the coordinates of point A? Dimagi, coordinates of point A.
3, 7.
X coordinate 3, y coordinate 7, no? So the coordinates of the point 3, 7. Correct. Right. Then point B, coordinates of the point. Can you give the answer, Chetana?
10, 7.
10, 7. B coordinates, the point B, x coordinate is 10, y coordinate is 7. Okay, 10, 7. Right. Then point C. What are the coordinates of point C? Who did not give the answer early? Sandil?
Sir, I didn't tell, sir.
Okay, this one, Sandil, tell the answer.
11, 5.
11 comma 5, x coordinate 11, y coordinate 5, 11 comma 5. Okay, Minal, D coordinates
9, 5.
9 comma 5, D coordinates x 9, y 5, 9 comma 5, correct. Then capital E, the coordinates of E, can you give the answer, Omashi? E.
9, 2.
Yes, x coordinate 9, y coordinate 2. So the answer 9 comma 2. Right. Next one, F. Give the answer for this one. Idushi.
4, 2.
Sorry.
4, 2.
4 comma 2. X coordinate 4, y coordinate 2. So the answer 4 comma 2. Then next one, G. Coordinates of G. Kenoli. Can you give the answer? G.
4, 5.
X coordinate 4, y coordinate 5. 4 comma 5. Okay, then last one, H. Who can give the answer for this one?
Sir, I can.
Okay, Dylan.
2, 5.
X coordinate 2, y coordinate 5. Okay, correct. 2 comma 5. Right, they are all, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, right. Now, can you tell me this part? Are you clear, all of you? Well, can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
100% clear or 50%?
100%. 100%. 100%.
100%.
Right.